In this lesson, we're going to talk about assigning keywords as one of the file properties in Microsoft Excel. I just have a file open that I had in the last video I created. It's nothing special. It's just some names and some values, some pricing values. But how you're going to put keywords into your file, you're going to go to File. So we're going to go to the File tab on your ribbon. This is called Backstage. Your Properties pane is over here to the right. And you can open up multiple properties. So some of your properties are here. But you can also go to Show All Properties. And it should show them. It should list more of them down this side. And close that back up. And we can also go up to the properties and we go to Advanced Properties. And we'll open the Properties dialog box rather than Backstage. So we're going to show all properties. See if we can find tags. Yep, tags are up here. So if we're in the properties pane here on the right of our Backstage, we can simply click into this category here, which is called tags, and we can type. We're going to type customer. We're also going to type square feet. Put a comma after each one. We're going to type price. So these tags, you might be maybe looking or searching for files on your computer, and you could search for these tags. Once you click off of that, it should stay in that property. Let's click the categories field. So what category is it? So we can find category. Categories is right here. We can type revenue. And then we also should have a company, and we can type in what company this is for. And we're going to put Fabricam Inc. And this time, we're going to go up here to the properties, click Advanced Properties. We're going to go to the Summary tab, which it should automatically go to. Click Statistics tab. So you can see when it was created, when it was modified, when it was last accessed. Maybe someone's printed it. Last saved by, revision number, total editing time. But you can see a lot of different information here. See your general information, the name. You have a little icon for what kind it is. What type, Microsoft Excel worksheet. What location is it on your computer? What size is it? How much space does it take up? And then, when it was created, modified, and accessed. And then contents, custom. We'll show you how to do some of these things later on. But summary are these basic things that you also see over here on the properties pane. So we can hit OK, and it goes back to our Backstage view. To get out of Backstage view, we can simply click the arrow, or we can hit Escape.